everybody. Welcome back. I know it's been a few months. I'm definitely rusty at this. I can't tell you how many takes I've already done to try and get this video right for you guys. So I think I'm just going to push through this one and you get what you get. Okay. So clearly we've taken some time off and a lot has happened since that last May 14th video I posted at the end of tax season, and had to write a few of them down because they were pretty exciting things. Not everything is here, but some of the highlights. And of course, the number one highlight was that tax season finally ended. It really did feel like it was the never-ending tax season. 2020 really did seem to bleed into 2021. And as soon as COVID broke out in March of 2020, this office put its foot on the gas and didn't let up until after May of this year. So we were all ready for a bit of a break, including me. So that's why I kind of let up on the video producing. At the end of May, I went on vacation and I just couldn't get myself started up again. I was just a little burned out. I'm much better now. So I took the end of May and a lot of June, and I just enjoyed my family and just enjoyed some quiet time. Took a couple of vacations, got back in July after the 4th, caught up, and now here I am producing videos for you guys again. And I have a lot of fun things in store, as well as some really informative videos coming in the future. So we'll be on the lookout for those. I'll be posting every Wednesday at noon, like I always do. So happy to be back and doing all of that. So that was like the first thing. Tax season ended. The other thing that happened that I didn't mention to you guys was we actually rolled out a brand new website. We're still tweaking it here and there, but if you really want to have some entertainment, feel free to go check it out. There are actually 3 different ways for you to get there: pixelfg.com, accountantsthatdon'tsuck.com, and kickassaccountants.com. And I want to thank Karen at Retail Alliance for that last one, because she thought that maybe we should have that URL as well. And totally agree with her on that. So we bought it. Anyways, so feel free, check it out. It's a lot of fun. Of course, I'm always open to recommendations. If there's something there that might make it a little bit more user-friendly for you, or you're not seeing there you would like to see, I'm more than happy to consider those requests or suggestions. So feel free to message me. I'm more than happy to take a look. The only thing we won't do is put pricing on there, because pricing is way too complicated to put on there. So just so you know, that wouldn't happen. The other thing that happened that we were amazed with is that we put in a new project management system. So we've usually been pretty efficient in this office and we work together as a team really well. But every now and then something would fall through the cracks. I mean, clearly we're human and we don't want to make those mistakes, but they would happen. So we invested in a new project management system, and let me tell you, it is amazing. We are so much more efficient in the office with each other, with our clients. We're going to be using it to automate the tax preparation system, to work with our clients and meet that time that I like to get those taxes done within, like that 2-week time frame. Now, clearly after tax season is done, that 2-week time frame kind of goes away, because, people expect me to do other things and I take some time off. But during tax season, I want your taxes done within 2 weeks, and this project management system is going to help us all work together to make that happen. It's really exciting. It really added to our capacity. Super crazy. Love it. Definitely, if you're a client of mine, you're going to be hearing from this project management system. If you haven't already, and you're a tax client only, you'll be hearing it for on January 15th. So be on the lookout for that. Another thing that we did that was super exciting for us is we expanded our office. We have hired more people and we needed more space from them. Now, we do have a couple of people who are remote. They work in a remote office anyway. Nicole and her assistant over there do work in a remote office. But we do have several people here in this office that we needed more space for. So we doubled the size of our office. We didn't have to move, which was great. We were just able to take over the suite next door. And I think one of the most fun things that we are doing with it is we are actually going to be decorating our entire office, we decided, with art by women. We are a woman-owned business, so we thought it was really important that if we wanted to put art up on the walls, it be by women artists. And we're going to start to feature these pieces that we put into our office on our Facebook page and LinkedIn. So be on the lookout. You can find me, Misty Lineberger CPA. You can find Pixel Financial Group or Nicole Payne CMA. And we're going to be posting those things, and it'll be a lot of fun, and it's going to be really beautiful and unique. And I'm just totally in love with the idea and really excited about it. All right. So one of the biggest things that happened while I was on my video hiatus was that Pixel celebrated its fifth anniversary. And I know 5 years doesn't seem like such a big deal, but let me tell you why it's a big deal. Because roughly 50% of businesses don't make it to their fifth anniversary, and Pixel has, and we're going strong, and we're looking forward to the next 5 years and beyond. Many of you don't know that Pixel Financial Group is actually the love child of my business and Nicole's business. So we took our businesses, we merged them together. She had Flow Accounting Solutions, I had Analyze My Books, and we used to work together. We always enjoyed each other. I cannot tell you what a talented accountant Nicole is. She's absolutely amazing. Her analytical abilities are just beyond measure. And so I said, hey, why don't we merge our companies? Why are we doing this separately? We make a good team. And let me tell you, that was one of the best decisions we've ever made in business, Nicole and I. And we couldn't be happier about it. We work well together as partners. Everybody will tell you it's a little weird to be in the office with us because we tend to talk at the same time, saying the exact same things. We like to say we're the same brain. She has one half, I have the other half, and it works really, really well. So one of the most amazing things that have happened during this time. And so we took everybody in the office, we closed down the office, and we took them out to Ocean Breeze Water Park in Virginia Beach and just spent a day. We rented the biggest cabana we could get. We got food, we got drinks, no pressure to go down slides. If you wanted to take a nap, you could. Or could you? Lou, one of the newest members of our team, learned really, really quickly what happens if you fall asleep in the sun while we have a bucket of cold melted ice. I'm just telling you, here's that video. It's hilarious. So he learned his lesson. And I actually think we might have to watch out for him in the future because he could get us back and we would completely deserve it. But it's just one example of how we just try not to take ourselves too seriously, work hard, play hard. We don't take ourselves seriously, but I like to say we take our work very seriously because we do. So those are just some of the fun things. And we're going to be sharing a lot more on social media between LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, possibly Instagram here in the future. It's going to be educational. Nicole is going to be posting videos, so I will be sharing some of her stuff. It's going to be great because she does this great thing called Accounting Vocab Word of the Week. For you small business owners out there, this is going to be great. As much as we try to speak in layman's terms, there are just some words we can't get around, like capital asset, equity, balance sheet. Like, what do those things mean? So that's going to be great. We're going to be making sure to share all of those things. And then in addition, I will start to post more videos. We're going to be talking about things like cryptocurrency, tax deadlines. How do you break up with your accountant if you need to? All of those great things are going to be coming out, and I'm really looking forward to it. And of course, if you have any things that you want me to talk about or you aren't sure you understand, maybe it's in Nicole's wheelhouse. I don't know. Reach out to me. I'm more than happy to consider it. All right, you guys, take care. See you next week. And I think next week we're going to be talking about tax deadlines. Tax deadlines are coming up in October and September. So be on the lookout for that video Wednesdays at noon every week, you guys. Take care.